Diwali and other festivals are around the corner. So I've got you 3 hairstyles which you can don this festive season. If you want to know how, please keep watching. With all the festivities around, you often find yourself with no time for washing your hair. It's times like these that I would recommend Batiste Dry Shampoo. Now divide your hair with a middle partition using a Vega comb and apply L'Oreal serum to make your hair frizz-free. Now begin to twist your hair until the back of your ear and secure it with bobby pins. Now using an iconic tong, start curling the remaining hair section by section. And here we go, look number 1. For look number 2, I want my hair to be a bit flat, so I'm gonna go ahead and use one of my favorite hair straighteners, Philips Kerashine. Divide your hair with a side partition. Now slowly begin to twist your hair and secure it with bobby pins. Now divide your hair into 2 parts. I'm doing a fish braid to finish my look. You could even try the normal braids. So here we go, look number 2. Tresemme conditioner helps you smoothen your hair and revitalize curls. Begin to slowly twist your hair on both the sides and secure them with bobby pins. Now divide your hair into 2 parts. Braid one side. Now bring the other side and braid both together. Now twist the same and secure it with bobby pins. Completing the look with one of my favorite finishing sprays from Tony & Guy. That's it you guys, we're done with look number 3. All the products that I have used to create these looks are from Myntra, so head to Myntra now.